Holy jingle bells, Batman. It's a Christmas competition.
Shut the front door, Rob. You nearly gave me an heart attack there, dude.
Sorry, mate.
Good job you didn't though, because you're right. This is an amazing chance for one of our subscribers out there to win a fantastic brand new TAMIYA RC kit. Guess what?
What?
Delivered to your house, ready for Christmas.
Wow.
And it's all made possible by...
The RC elf, by the way.
Awesomeness that is the RC elf.
Not long ago, the RC elf contacted us and said he wanted to spread some love in the UK, and he's given us an iconic TAMIYA kit for us to give away with a simple competition. Well, there you go. And just so as you know, it's not this.
It's a decoy.
It was a decoy. It's going to be a kit. You're going to have to build it, but there are other goodies in it as well.
Hi there, Mark here again. I've got Rob by the side of me instead of on the camera.
Cooey!
And I must warn you, guys, he's got one on him today, so watch out for him. I'm a bit worried actually. But anyway, let's get on with it. There's more good news because there's 2 chances to win an RC car for Christmas. Because there's another channel in the UK also doing an RC elf giveaway, but more about that later.
Okay, dude, talking about the RC elf, you were telling me earlier you were going to reveal his identity? You can't do that, mate.
Well, I'm going to do it anyway, because I've been thinking really hard about this, Rob.
Oh, yeah?
I have, and I'm sure a lot of other people as well want to know who the RC elf is. So, using this bit of thought, now, the RC elf is a benevolent person, isn't he?
He is, yeah.
Helps people in the community.
He does.
Cares about people.
Yeah.
And he likes to hide his identity.
He does.
So I reckon I've worked out who he is.
Go on then.
Batman!
Batman?
Yeah.
What? You twonk!
No need for that.
We all know Batman's fictitious, and anyway, his alter ego's Bruce Wayne.
Oh, yeah.
I reckon.
Go on, so you think you know who he is then? Better than my guess?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Santa, and we all know he's real.
Oh yeah, well he is real, that is, but let's face it, Rob, we ain't got a clue, have we?
No.
Whoever he is, he's a great chap then.
He is an old sir.
And as I said earlier, Rob, there's another channel in the UK doing an RC elf giveaway.
Right, who's up then?
That channel is Andy Robinson RC. He's a great chap. He's got a great channel, loads of fantastic content on there. So get over to Andy's channel, give him a sub and enter his competition. And I do know that he's releasing his video today as well. Okay, Rob, I think that's enough chat. I bet everyone out there is wondering what the heck this giveaway prize is going to be.
Well, I certainly am, mate.
Well, it's about time I revealed it. Are you ready? Drum roll. Dun, 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 dun. It's the TAMIYA Blackfoot on the ORV chassis with a whole bunch of goodies thrown in. How about that then, dude?
A TAMIYA Blackfoot?
Yep.
With goodies?
Yep.
That's too good to give away, mate.
Hey, what? Rob?
Very neat.
What do you think you're doing? Rob! I tell you what, guys, I told you he was in a funny mood today. He's really getting on my nerves now.
Okay, mate.
You've decided to come back, have you?
Well, might as well, seeing as this is a bleeding empty box.
What do you mean?
You've drawn that yourself.
Yeah, you're right, Rob. I thought, just wanted something to show, because otherwise we would just be sitting here talking about a prize that we haven't got.
Right. Why is that then, dude?
Because the real Blackfoot kit with all the goodies is sitting at Time Tunnel Models.
Right.
Yeah, because good old Neil at Time Tunnel Models has done us a big favour.
Has he, mate?
He has. What he's done is, the RC elf was prepaid for a kit and all the bits and bobs, and Neil has packed it all up, sitting there waiting for the label of the winner's address to be put on it and delivered in time for Christmas.
Right. But what are all these goodies you keep going on about?
Oh yes, so the goodies that are coming along in the box as well, Rob. I forgot to tell you about that, didn't I?
You did.
I bet you're all wanting to know what you're going to get with it. So in addition to the kit itself, you're going to get a radio system, steering wheel, a receiver, a servo, a waterproof ESC, and a tin of paint to finish it off with, and guess what, Rob?
Ball bearings?
We've already got to throw in some ball bearings, hey! And a tin of paint to finish your kit off.
2 tins of paint then, is it?
It's only 1 tin of paint, Rob, I couldn't afford any more.
Well, you already match a tin of paint.
Only 1 tin of paint. So then, after all that, we better let these guys know what they've got to do to win. It's a really, really simple competition. All they've got to do is 3 simple things.
Okay, what are they, mate?
Well, 1, you need to subscribe to the channel. 2, you need to answer a simple question and answer it in an email. And 3, you need to write and leave a comment in the comments. Now, in your comment, I need you to write, "Make me a winner." You can write anything else you want in the comment, but as long as it's got the words "make me a winner" in there, you'll be entered into the competition. If you don't write those words, we won't enter you into the draw.
Once we've told you the question and you've answered it, you can email it to the email address that's on screen with your name and address, so that we can get that to Time Tunnel to get it shipped to you, hopefully before Christmas.
Yeah, don't forget it's got to be a UK address because Time Tunnel's only shipping to the UK. And one thing I forgot to say is that the RC Elf has asked that if he's already gifted you an RC, please do not enter this competition. But one thing I will ask of you is please do not answer the question in the comments, because that'll just spoil it for everyone. So I've set up an automatic filter. If you write the answer in the comments, your comment will be automatically deleted and you won't be entered into the competition. So I just think that makes it fair for everyone, don't you think, Rob?
Yeah, I do, mate. Okay, mate, what's the question?
Oh yeah, better tell them what the question is, hadn't I?
Very good point.
Okay, so it's a really simple question. If you know our channels, if you know me and Rob, it's going to be a piece of cake. If you're not sure, I'm sure it'll only take a couple of minutes. If you just know what to do, go to our channels, flick through, and you'll be able to find the answer very, very easily. So here it is. The RC Elf gave Rob and I more than 1 car each, but he only gave us 1 car that was exactly the same. So the question is, what car did the RC Elf give to both me and Rob?
I know, it's the...
I'm really sorry about this, guys. I told you he was in one of those moods today. But keep it quiet, you. I'm trying to finish this video off. You've been a very naughty boy. I don't know, guys. So, if I could get a word in edgeways, now I've had to muffle him. So I know that might be quite a bit to remember. So there's everything you need to do written down in the description, all the rules, and there's some links you need to look at for the YouTube guidelines, because we're doing this giveaway on YouTube. There's all sorts of rules you have to adhere to. But anyway, just have a quick look at those. Remember to write the answer in your email and put that comment in. It's all quite simple. And don't forget to jump over to Andy Robinson's channel, give him a sub and enter his competition for twice the chance to win. There's just one more thing that I want to say before we go. Do you think you're going to be a good boy now, Rob? That's better, Rob. Now just behave yourself, will you?
Sorry, mate, but it's nearly Christmas.
Yeah, we just got to point out that no Rob Brennans were actually harmed during the making of this video.
No, I wasn't.
So the last thing I want to say, guys, is something that's quite heartfelt. Now, there's a lot of you out there that follow the channel and give us great support, both to myself and to Rob.
Yeah.
And every time we release a video, there's tons of you guys out there, you know who you are, who leave some really great comments, some really thoughtful words and kind comments for both our videos, don't they?
Yeah.
Now, I just want to plead with you guys. I'd really like, or we'd really like, for one of you to win this competition. It's a fantastic prize. It doesn't happen every day that you get this kind of kit donated by somebody great like the RC Elf. And we want this kit to go to one of you guys. So please, please enter the competition, and it'd be wonderful to see one of you guys out there win that great prize. So that's us nearly done. Just remember, enter the competition. The prize will be drawn on the 19th of December, and we'll let you know then. We'll be putting up a results video. So we'll just leave you with this.
Just say no to friction shocks.
And steer clear of plastic bushings. Take care and
You ain't
seen us right.